Hi, this is Darren with Professional Foundation Repair. We're in Yorba Linda, California at a big project we're doing. This job is a little different because we're not doing perimeter lifting, we're actually doing interior lifting that the middle section is sinking. So we're going to do about 14 concentric piers, Wells concentric piers, here to lift up and re-support this house. In closing, the Wells concentric pier is your best option. So if you have any structural foundation issues, call us today.